Do you have a small section and wondering if you can fit a swimming pool on it? If so, keep watching to find out. So you'd love a pool but not sure if you have enough room for one. In this video, I'll explain how much room you need for a backyard pool and what your options are if you don't have space for one. Your average family-sized swimming pool takes up around 25 to 40 square metres of space, which is about half the size of an Olympic-sized pool. Similar to a Super King bed in a small bedroom or a giant-sized sofa in a compact lounge, it's important to get the right size. With sections getting smaller and smaller and typical subdivisions around 450 square metres, that doesn't leave a lot of room for a large pool. So, what are your best pool options for a small section? Here are 3 types of pools that could work for you. A small lap pool. Traditional swimming pools take up a lot of space, but with some careful planning, a lap pool is not out of the question for small backyards. For example, a pool that measures between 6 to 9 metres long and 3 to 4 metres wide could be a suitable choice. In terms of construction materials, concrete swimming pools are a popular choice for small backyards because they can be shaped and customised to suit your specific needs. While concrete pools can be more expensive than fiberglass or vinyl liner pools, they are also more durable and long-lasting. In New Zealand and Australia, the cost of a concrete pool can range roughly from $40,000 to $100,000. As always, we recommend consulting a professional pool builder who can give you expert advice, options and quotes. A plunge pool. A plunge pool is similar to a typical swimming pool, but it's smaller and typically deeper. Because of their compact size, plunge pools are great for people who want a pool but don't have much space in their backyard. They are incredibly versatile and ideal for play, relaxation and aqua fitness. Acrylic and concrete plunge pools tend to be the most popular choices. Acrylic plunge pools like the ones we sell at Spa World come with moulded seats and hydrotherapy jets, which in one area provide a similar experience to a spa pool plus many more benefits. They have the same benefits as the popular swim spas we sell, only they don't have swim spa jets. If staying in shape is on your agenda, you can add the optional swim pole and harness to turn your plunge pool into a great training pool for both swimming and water walking. Acrylic plunge pools tend to cost much less than concrete ones. The average cost of a small, above-ground acrylic plunge pool is roughly $20,000, whereas an in-ground plunge pool costs around $25,000. But the price can be much higher if you want to include more features, such as jets for hydrotherapy, a heating system, a self-cleaning system and lighting. Concrete plunge pools cost anywhere from $20,000 to $90,000, depending largely on the size and installation requirements. Once again, it's best to contact a local pool contractor for more accurate estimates based on your specific requirements and preferences. Our final choice for pools that suit a small section is a swim spa. A swim spa is a cross between a pool and a spa, and it allows you to swim in place, providing a great exercise option while taking up less space than a traditional pool. Swim spas are made in a similar way to spa pools, but they're a lot bigger and deeper. The average swim spa is about 4.5 to 6 metres long and contains just 8,000 to 10,000 litres of water. Compare this to 30,000 litres in your typical family swimming pool. The pool end of the swim spa is where the magic happens. This is where you'll find the large, powerful swim jets, which create a continuous current or stream of moving water you can swim against. You're effectively swimming upstream. Think of it like a treadmill, but for swimming. Most swim spas also have hydrotherapy seats with massage jets for relaxation and recovery. This makes them a super versatile choice for couples, families, and anyone who wants the option of being able to play, work out, and relax in one place. Because you can get all the benefits of swimming without needing a long lane to travel down, swim spas are a compact solution that can be used virtually anywhere. Also, because swim spas are portable, you can take them with you when you leave. One of their top features is you can use them all year round. Because you control the temperature, you can enjoy a swim, dip or soak during any season, whatever the weather conditions might be. Swim spas are incredibly energy efficient. They come with a heavy-duty cover which locks in the heat, so you don't have to use as much electricity to keep it warm. Also, you can install a special swim spa heat pump, which is incredibly energy efficient. In fact, heat pumps are up to 75% more efficient than electricity and up to 55% more than gas. Swim spas can range from $18,000 to $90,000 depending on the features you'd like and the quality of the brand. As a guideline, you should be able to secure a good quality swim spa for between $20,000 to $30,000. To summarise, fitting a pool on a small section is definitely possible with some careful planning. Whether you choose a lap pool, plunge pool or swim spa, you should be able to find something to suit your outdoor space. To find out more about the plunge pools and swim spas we have available at Spa World, get in touch with our expert team via the link below or swing by your local Spa World. It'd be great to see you.